I'm Chris Pearson, CEO and founder of Black Cloak.
And I'm Ingrid Gliatone, the Chief Experience Officer here at Black Cloak.
It happens every day. A company suffers a cyber attack and your data is stolen. So now what?
Well, it depends on the type of data and the type of websites. Is it high risk or low risk? High risk being financial and banking institution platforms, email providers, social media platforms, and healthcare are going to be those higher risk sites. Same for internet connected devices like cameras or voice control devices in the home.
And a moderate risk might be a site that has more in-depth records on you or your family, like that of a hotel or airline, things that are more private to a family.
And lower risk might be normal retail sites with just your name and address.
Now, for the data, is it name and address and number? It might be a lower risk, but important. Social security number or passport or account information, or for IoT devices, a higher risk.
So first, once a website has a breach, log in and change your password and ensure dual-factor authentication is enabled.
Second, review your account information to understand what is actually there.
And third, if your social security number, passport, driver's license, or financial account information is involved, file an ID theft affidavit with the FTC and put a fraud alert on your account. If your social security number is involved, let the IRS and your accountant know. If your passport information is involved, let the State Department know. And make sure you're reviewing your credit files.
Fourth, if it's a financial account or a credit or debit card, immediately contact your bank and get new numbers and watch your credit report for any other entries.
And fifth, watch your mail to see if any new accounts, cards, or other things get opened in your name. And of course, watch out for that breach letter and take advantage of the credit monitoring they offer if you are not already protected.
We're Black Cloak. Protect your digital life.